Crypto smart contracts, complete beginner to pro guide. Crypto smart contracts, also called blockchain smart contracts or decentralized digital agreements, have become one of the most important innovations in the crypto world. These self-executing pieces of code automate transactions, remove middlemen, and ensure trust in a transparent way. Whether you are completely new to blockchain or already understand the basics of decentralized systems, learning how crypto smart contracts work will help you understand why they are transforming finance, gaming, security, and digital ownership. In this guide, we dive deep into their foundations, use cases, risks, and future potential, with clear explanations and rich insights for both beginners and professionals. How crypto smart contracts work. Crypto smart contracts rely on decentralized blockchain networks. A blockchain stores data across thousands of computers, making the system resistant to tampering. Smart contracts run on this distributed network and follow a simple model. If X happens, execute Y. Every action inside the contract is recorded on-chain, making it permanent and transparent. The core mechanism. Smart contracts are deployed on a blockchain such as Ethereum, Solana, or BNB chain. Once deployed, the code becomes immutable. This means no one can alter the predefined rules. The contract checks conditions, processes inputs, and triggers the programmed outcome. For example, when a user sends cryptocurrency to a contract, it automatically performs what the code instructs, like swapping tokens, sending funds, or minting NFTs. Why they are trustless. Smart contracts remove the need for middlemen. Instead of trusting people, you trust code. Verification is done by the entire blockchain network, which prevents fraud and ensures fairness. For beginners, this reduces barriers to participating in global digital markets. For experts, this improves system scalability and automation. Benefits of smart contract technology. Crypto smart contracts offer benefits that traditional systems can't match. They provide automation, security, speed, and global access. These advantages are the backbone of decentralized applications, dApps. Speed and automation. Transactions execute instantly once conditions are met. No banks, no delays. This is crucial for financial apps, gaming items, and decentralized trading. Security and transparency. Because they exist on a blockchain, all operations are visible. No hidden rules, no secret fees, no backdoor manipulation. This increases user trust and reduces fraud. Cost efficiency. Without intermediaries, costs drop significantly. Users pay only network fees, not agency or service charges. Global access. Anyone with internet access can interact with a smart contract. No restrictions based on country, age, or credit history. Top use cases of crypto smart contracts. Crypto smart contracts are powering a new digital economy. They are used in finance, gaming, supply chain management, identity systems, and digital art. Financial applications. DeFi, decentralized finance, is one of the biggest smart contract ecosystems. You can lend, borrow, trade, and own rewards without banks. Smart contracts ensure fairness, automate interest payments, and manage liquidity pools. NFTs and digital ownership. NFTs use smart contracts to store ownership on the blockchain. Each NFT is unique, traceable, and easily tradable. Artists, gamers, and brands use them to monetize digital assets. Gaming and metaverse. In blockchain gaming, items are stored as smart contract tokens. Players can own, trade, or sell items freely. This creates real digital economies. Supply chain tracking. Smart contracts track goods from production to delivery. This reduces fraud and increases transparency for global businesses. Smart contract development essentials. Building crypto smart contracts requires understanding blockchain logic and programming languages such as Solidity, Viper, or Rust. Developers must design secure and efficient code before deploying it. Key components of development functions. Define what actions the contract performs. Events. Broadcast when something happens on-chain. Mappings. Store and organize data like balances. Modifiers. Control access to protected functions. Testing and auditing. Before deployment, developers test smart contracts on test networks. Then, security experts audit the code to prevent vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Challenges and risks of smart contracts. While crypto smart contracts are powerful, they come with risks. Understanding these challenges helps beginners stay safe and allows professionals to avoid costly mistakes. Common risks: coding errors. A single mistake can freeze or lose funds. Immutable code. Once deployed, bugs are difficult to fix. High gas fees. Some networks become expensive during peak times. Hacks. Attackers can exploit vulnerabilities in poorly written contracts. How to mitigate risks: use audited code. Choose trusted platforms. Avoid interacting with unknown contracts. Monitor network fees. The future of crypto smart contracts. Crypto smart contracts will continue to evolve. More industries will adopt automation and trustless systems. Future improvements will focus on scalability, security, and interoperability between blockchains. Upcoming innovations: cross-chain smart contracts, zero-knowledge proof integrations, AI-supported smart contract auditing, regulated blockchain environments for institutions. Smart contracts are not just a trend. They are the future infrastructure for global digital interactions. Summary: crypto smart contracts are self-executing digital agreements on a blockchain. They are transparent, secure, and automated. They remove middlemen, reduce costs, and power the entire decentralized world, from DeFi to NFTs and gaming to supply chains. Both beginners and experts can benefit from understanding how they work, their advantages, risks, development processes, and future potential. FAQ: what is a crypto smart contract? A digital agreement that executes itself when conditions are met. 2. Are smart contracts safe? They are safe when properly audited and coded. 3. How are smart contracts used? They power DeFi apps, NFT platforms, games, and supply chains. 4. Which blockchain is best for smart contracts? Ethereum is the most popular, but Solana, BNB Chain, and others are growing. 5. Can I create my own smart contract? Yes, using languages like Solidity or Rust. CTA, call to action. Want to learn more about crypto smart contracts or build your own? Message me and I'll guide you step by step, whether you're a beginner or a professional.